Find or read reviews that people are talking about ECOFLOW 240V, 7200 Wh, 7200 watts, home battery backup kit. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Whole house generator. The double voltage hub doubles the AC output to 7200 watt and 240 volts. Battery backup has never offered this kind of output, so you can run 99% of all home appliances, including high wattage ones like a clothes dryer or electric heater. Easily chain together two Delta Pros using the double voltage hub and plug into your breaker panel via an transfer switch or power inlet box. Large capacity. Each Delta Pro features a 3600 Wh LFP battery capacity. It provides strong electrical storage for home battery backup power supply and outdoor camping. Applied with Delta Pro extra batteries or smart generators, the electric generator can expand its capacity from 3.6 kWh to 25 kWh. Extreme fast charging. Fully recharge a single Delta Pro in 1.8 hours with 240 volt outlets, 3000 watt. 2.7 hours with 1800 watt wall outlets. Oregon Solar charged in 3.5 to 7 hours with 3x 400 watt solar panels thanks to the industry-leading solar conversion efficiency of up to 23%. Ideal for juicing up the battery between short outages. ECOFLOW's Extreme charging technology isn't just fast, it's safe too with the battery management system. 5 ways to charge. Pick from EV station charging, solar, wall outlets, using the smart outdoor generator or via a car outlet. Faster than any other 3000 watt solar generator. Keep going for miles when your electric vehicle runs out of battery. Either at home or on the go, Delta Pro will have you back on the road in no time. 15 versatile outputs. A single Delta Pro includes 15 outlets and ports, 5x AC outlets, 4x USB-A ports, 2x USB-C ports, 2x DC ports, 1x car power output and 1x Anderson port. Power all your devices such as cell phone, tablet, camera, radio, projector, night light, mini fan, and so on. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.